Yes guys, in today's video we're gonna look how to make your vidIQ app in a dark mode. So if you have now the light mode and you want the dark mode, you go to vidiq.com like this and then you sign in with your account. Well, wait a second, it's signing in and then I'm signing in, and you go to the right top and you have to click the arrow down. Here it is, and then you see it already at the right. You see dark theme, so it's not that hard and it's pretty easy. But if you couldn't find it, well, you find it now through my instruction, and if it's correct, you have the dark mode of vidIQ. So here you can see everything of vidIQ in dark mode. So quick video, and I hope you learned something, and please subscribe to my channel if you succeed with getting the dark mode in vidIQ.